Welcome to 3D GBIRE Technical Centre and the launch of our new 3D AMPS Bureau service. At 3D AMPS we can turn your STL files into physical printed parts made to your specification and in a material of your choice. Our 3D design facility enables our customers to convert images of applications into electronic files to be used to print from. If you have a part that is damaged, send it to us. We will reverse engineer it for you, determining the correct material to be used based on the application. Or if it's just straightforward application development, where you may be looking to turn a concept into a prototype, we can help you do that as well. We have a wide variety of additive manufacturing machines to choose from, be that FDM, standard SLA, metal deposition and micro SLA. We've got the right solution and application engineers ready to support your needs. If we can be of any assistance, please get in touch today and we look forward to hearing from you soon.